Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got this two car set from Hot Wheels, and as you can see it's from Hot Wheels Premium. It does have a Subaru Crosstrek and a 2018 Toyota 4RUNNER. Now this, as you can see, has metal on metal, so metal body, metal base, real riders, that means rubber tires, and it's from Hot Wheels Car Culture. So I know Hot Wheels did a single piece Toyota 4Runner Premium. I don't know if they did one for the Subaru Crosstrek, but the set together looks really good, so I got it. Let's open it up and see the details on these two. So here are both the cars out of the box. Now even from here you can notice that Subaru has got some extra accessories on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the Subaru and then move to the 4Runner. So let's move the 4Runner aside for few minutes. So here is the Subaru Crosstrek, and you will notice this crazy wheel and body color combo, red, yellow, which you don't normally see, and surprisingly doesn't look bad here. I don't think a lot of cars can pull that, but Subarus can pull any weird color of wheels, I guess. But this looks like a modified Subaru Crosstrek, so there are certain things which show that it's been modified for off-roading or overlanding, I guess. Now, since we are on the driver's side, let's mention a few things. Wheels, they look good. It's called rubber tire, and as we know, metal base. Even the paint on the body is kind of custom. Got red body with this yellow and red finish on it. You can also see that it's modified. Got wider wheel arches here, and looks like a pop-up tent on the top, the roof rack. I'm not sure, but it might be. Now let's go to the front. Up front you can see there are a lot of details on this one. You got detailed headlamp, detailed grille, again this yellow and red paint scheme going on the hood. You get the windshield wipers, spot lamps on the top, KC spot lamp. You also got those on the bottom, again 4 of them. You got tow hooks, you got fog lamps, and looks like you also got skid plates. So a lot of details in the front, and it's really nicely done. Now coming to the passenger side, so it looks almost identical as the driver's side. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap. And let's move to the back. Again, good details here. You can see it's got the Subaru badge, it's got the painted tail lamps. You got two recovery hooks in the back too. You got the stop lamps in the back. You do get the big, I don't know the car, mud flaps. Yeah, so you do get mud flaps all around, and you do get this body kit, the plastic going all around too. And as I said, in the top it looks like it has got a pop-up tent, or I think it's called overlanding. You do get a small spoiler in the back and belt. It looks really nice. And the interior, I think, are done in black. Yep, it's done in black. And if you look closely, you can see the screen inside, steering wheel, and seats. Trying to find if there is something special in the back, but I can't really see. All I can see is the windshield wiper. So this looks from the bottom. Overall, it looks really nice with all the details and added accessories. Now let's move to the 4Runner. This one. Let's put the Crosstrek out of the side. Now again, this one looks more standard, not the modified one like the Crosstrek did, but it does come with again a lot of good details. Like on the front you can see you got detailed headlamp, those amber fog lamps. Looks really nice. You got the classic Toyota badge, the big grille, skid plates. It's really good. And you also got both the mirrors and windshield wipers and a hood scoop. Good details. Coming to the driver's side, again rubber tires with these nice looking wheels on them. Also got a step here. You got this black trim going around the window, which looks good. And you got TRD Pro badge. It's a TRD Pro. So it looks really nice. And you can also see the roof rails here, again, which are detailed. Also got the fuel filler on the driver's side. Looks good. Coming to the back, you got again nicely detailed tail lamps. You got the 4RUNNER badge, the Toyota badge, and you also got the number plate which says 4RUNNER. I can read runner, I can't read anything in front of that. Getting old. But I think it says 4RUNNER or Turner, Little Turner, I'm not sure. Again in the back, you got nice black treatment around the window. Looks good. You got a spoiler, a sharp antenna on the top. Passenger side looks almost identical, minus the fuel filler cap. The interior is done in black. The windows are slightly tinted, so can't really see clearly. This is how it looks from the bottom. And overall, it's a really nice looking casting. I really like it. Hot Wheels hasn't gone crazy with this one, giving them the things they need, like nice tires and wheel setup. Looks good. So I think overall this set is really good looking set, and if you are into these SUVs, you're gonna appreciate it. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.